Dan, what? Dan.
Say Dan.
Yes, Tim.
Suck my pubic hairs.
Shit.
You said shit!
Yes, Norby. Norby?
I'm dead.
You're not dead unless I say you were.
Okay. Casey?
No, it's Tim. Wait, I cut you off. Yes, Dan.
I can miss cheeseburger.
What?
What did you say?
Yes, Glathor.
I forgot.
She said I'm not dead.
I'm done.
I can miss cheeseburger.
Yes, Tim.
Is it all
Shut
those cat
the fuck
pictures?
up. Shut up.
Don't like this.
Gotta raise your hand.
I don't like that.
Yes, Norby.
Kill him. Just kill him off.
Yes,
She pointed
Tim.
to me. She pointed to me. Okay.
What, Dan? Dan, what do you want? Dan!
Oh God, please. Don't die on me. Not another one.
Danny.
Yes, Glathor.
I raped Jeannie
Oh, you do. You do rape Genie.
into her bleeding aborted fetus.
Yes,
asshole.
Genie.
I don't accept.
It's rape for a reason.
Genie's a man!
Norby.
I accept.
So is Norby.
You weren't raped. Yes, Genie.
Carson's been raping a man this entire time.
Yes, Glathor.
Jeannie raped.
The
It's
first
rape
thing he
'cause
did-
he doesn't accept. That's why.
the first
Yes,
thing he did
Tim.
in the last
Faggot for
adventure-
raping a man.
Yes, Genie.
I rape him with my little pointy
Dan.
genie tail.
Dan. Yes, Dan.
First thing he did in the last adventure was mouth rape the bartender.
That did occur. Glathor, what do you have to say?
Matt
Chop
said-
his dick
Matt
off and rape him.
Genie,
What did
you
Matt
have
say,
no
Carson?
cock.
What?
You have no cock. Yes,
What?
Norby
Norby.
claims the cock.
Yes, Genie.
Genie
Wait.
takes the cock back from
Genie,
her.
no, you don't. Yes, Tim.
I like dicks!
Yes, Glathor.
I raped Megan.
Yes, you do. Yes, Dan.
Yes, you do.
Dan. Dan.
Oh, he's gay.
Yes, Tim.
You have fucking